Hello everybody, welcome back to the workbench. Today we are zoomed way out, lots of space here because I got a big one, an Arrma Vendetta 3-cell. Now, I'm a little late to the party here. This thing's already been released and available. This is just as soon as I can get my hands on it. My box is a little crushed, but we're going to get into unboxing this bad boy today. So show you what it comes with, talk about some of the features, why this price is justified, and trust me, it is. So I'm gonna let the color be a surprise to you guys. Flip it over here and get the tape cut open. Just like that. Camera's basically as far back as I can get it, so we're making do with what we can see here. Alright, and with the lid of the box off, you can see I got my hands on the green one. Personally, thought that color was just a bit better, more flashy than anything else. Pretty unique, honestly. This is our accessory box here, which should have some tools, our transmitter. Let's see what we got in here. Alright, so there's an extra wing. Pretty cool. Also got the accessory packet, which comes with your standard assortment of tools, the speed gearing, the user manual, pretty cool, and the important DX3 Spectrum transmitter. And of course you got Spectrum dashboard, you got AVC with the 6-channel receiver in here, all the features that Spectrum has to offer. You can see your battery level on the transmitter, and on that note, this guy does not come with a battery. You're going to need to supply a battery and a charger of your own. Pretty standard amongst the brushless Arrma models. Now this guy is taped in, so back to our trusty slashy tool. Get that guy cut out of the box, and then we can ditch the box. Get a better look at this bad boy. Be gone. There we go. Ready for this experience. Always my favorite sound. Plastic. Coming off of a brand new, beautifully glossy body. Love all the attention they've given to aerodynamics on this body. You've got open cutouts above each wheel, helps relieve some pressure from under the body, and at the top speed, which is 70 miles an hour for this thing, you can bet yourself that wing's going to be coming into play for stability. And here's the chassis, which is still connected. Oh look, that one's already broken. Makes my life easier. That's a thick zip tie right there. There we go. Be gone, cardboard. There we go. So there you have it. Some new wheels and tires. It's actually got a pretty mean looking diffuser on the rear there. And a 3900 kV motor, which is, I presume, part of how they're getting this all-wheel drive setup to reach 70 miles an hour. That and the massive pinion you saw. And the smaller spur gear, which is a 50 tooth versus their standard 54. So get a bit more speed just out of the gearing. Like I say, you got that 6-channel receiver in there, so you'll have AVC to help you at those high speeds. And the Spectrum dashboard, which means you can see all sorts of things on your smartphone via Bluetooth. I'm really digging how this thing looks. Just a quick video of unboxing for you. Take a look at some of the details on here. Little Arrma logos, and something that may be hard to tell on camera. All these ripples across the body here are actually the Arrma double R kind of rippling out. It's really cool, and the camera doesn't do justice to how striking this color actually is. I can't put my finger on if it's highlighter yellow or some variation of lime green, but it's pretty amazing. And those red accents really sets it apart from anything else out there. Blood type Arrma. Alright, so that's all I got for you today. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this video, whatever you're going to do. We'll see you next time. So, we'll either be ripping this or doing a repair. I'm not sure yet. But I'll get something out to you in a timely manner. Have a good one.